Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu. Can anyone tell me how he passed away? He was stabbed while he was leading the prayer. Alright, he was stabbed while he was leading the prayer. The narration goes on to tell us that Umar radiallahu anhu has this big open wound. He had literally a hole in his stomach. And he's lying there and he's bleeding out and he's fading in and out of consciousness. And then while he's in that state and in that condition, he hears the call, the adhan for prayer. And he starts getting up. Everyone around him is like, oh, wait a second, where do you think you're going? He says, I have to go pray the adhan. I have to go and pray, it's the adhan. And he said, you're dying. You have a hole in your stomach. What do you mean you're going to go pray? And he says that, I remember the Prophet ﷺ telling me that there's no deen for the one who doesn't pray. That the salah is like the head and the body. I have to go and pray. This was the commitment that these people had to prayer. As long as I'm alive, salah is something I do. That's the commitment, the connection that they had with